On behalf of Zion Academy, I welcome you to this JEE mathematics class, and today we are going to focus over the topic called matrix. So matrix is an important topic from which some questions are frequently asked in the JEE main examination. So JEE main question paper consists of 3 subjects: physics, chemistry and mathematics. And in each subject, that is in mathematics also, it consists of 2 sections. Section A consists of 20 multiple choice questions, and in section B there are 10 numerical type questions. So in the section A, 20 multiple choice questions, there will be no choice, and in the section B there will be 10 numerical type questions and you have to answer any 5 questions. Total duration of the paper is 3 hours. So for 3 subjects, 3 hours. Therefore for mathematics, that means for each subject you have to take 1 hour. So there will be 25 questions you have to answer within 1 hour. In the section A, for each question the mark will be 4. If there is any mistake, -1 mark will be given, negative mark, -1 mark will be given. And if you do not attempt any questions, then no mark will be given, no negative mark, no positive mark. So we are going to cover up the matrix fully in several videos, one by one. So you take notes over these subjects, and if you have got any doubt, you can contact us by our WhatsApp number given at the end of this video. So thank you, continuously watch. Now we are going to focus over the matrix. Matrix is nothing but the arrangement of numbers in different rows and columns. The horizontal row in which the numbers are arranged, they are called rows, and the vertical lines in which the numbers are arranged are called columns. So number of rows and number of columns, that will be the order of the matrix. Suppose the matrix has m rows and n columns, the order is m cross n. It is denoted by m cross n. So in this way the order of the matrix is denoted. For example, this matrix is given, the horizontal lines in which the numbers are arranged 3, 4, 6, first row, and similarly vertical line in which the numbers are arranged called columns. If the matrix has only one column, single column, it's called column matrix. So in such column matrix there will be only one column, maybe number of rows may be more. So this is the column matrix. There are 4 rows and only one column, 4 cross 1 matrix. And row matrix means there is a single row. Then there may be number of columns, but it's a single row, 1, 5, 9. This is row matrix. So it has got only one row. And square matrix means number of rows should be equal to number of columns. So in this row, in this example, 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Square matrix, it's called square matrix. And zero matrix means all the elements are 0. In all the rows the elements will be 0. So this is called zero matrix, or it may be called as null matrix. And unit matrix means all the diagonal elements will be 1 and other elements are 0. In such a square matrix is called as unit matrix or identity matrix. Whenever matrix is multiplied by a constant, then each and every element should be multiplied by the same constant. So in this example, the elements are multiplied by the constant k. So whenever 2 matrices are multiplied, then the condition is number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. That is the condition for multiplying the matrices. Otherwise multiplication is not possible. So we are seeing the examples. matrix A and matrix B are multiplied. First row is multiplied with the first column of second matrix, and the sum of the products of these elements are given as first element. Similarly, whenever two matrices are multiplied, here we are seeing the examples. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. They are multiplied, and the summation is taken as the corresponding elements in the resultant matrix. Whenever two matrices are added or subtracted, the corresponding elements should be added or subtracted. Here the two matrices are added, and such that the elements are added. Transpose of the matrix means just interchange of rows and columns. The first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Then this is called transpose of the matrix. In any rectangular matrix or square matrix, whenever these rows and columns interchange, is called transpose matrix. Symmetric matrix means number of rows and number of elements in the rows and corresponding columns will be equal. First row element, first column element are equal. Second row and second column or elements are equal. So when in this way, this is called, the matrices are called symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means the matrix in which the first row and first column are equal but of different sign. Generally, the diagonal elements will be 0. Generally, the transpose matrix will be equal to the minus of the given matrix A. So we are going to get some problems as asked in the JEE exam. If A is matrix M cross N matrix, then B, AB and BA are both defined. Then B is order of 4 choices are given. You have to select the suitable one. If you select the wrongly, minus will be given. So the order is N cross M. If A is the matrix, then AB and BA are defined. So if AB exists, therefore number of rows of B must be equal to number of columns A, that's N. Similarly, BA is also possible. Product of B and A, and so number of columns in B will be equal to number of rows in A, M. So the order is N cross M. So the correct answer is B, N cross M. Second problem, if A and B are square matrices, AB is equal to A and B is equal to B, these are the conditions given, then you have to select the suitable answer. So AB is equal to A and B is equal to B. These are the given conditions. The suitable correct answer is B square is equal to B and A square is equal to A. How we obtain this one? That is, AB is equal to A means we are multiplying both sides by A previously. That is, B is equal to B. So AB is into if you multiply, if you substitute the value, you can similarly BAB is equal to B, multiplying by B on both sides. AB is equal to A, substitute there, and you can get the B is equal to B square. So A is equal to A square and B is equal to B square is the correct answer. That is subdivision A. Just to take the screenshot of this one, and if you got any doubt, just contact me. Next problem, if A and B are symmetric matrices, then A, B, A is symmetric or skew symmetric, diagonal or triangular. Let's select the suitable one. Select the correct answer. So correct answer is A, symmetric. How we get this one? That is A transpose equal to A. This is a condition for A symmetric matrices, and B dash is equal to B. So therefore A whole dash is equal to A dash B dash A dash according to the condition M and whole transpose equal to N transpose M transpose. So by using that condition, we are getting A B A whole dash equal to A dash B dash, that's equal to A B A. Therefore it is symmetric. And another problem, M into one column matrix is given, that's equal to answer is given. M in another condition is given, another multiplication, and similarly 3 conditions are given. Whenever the M is multiplied by 3 different column matrices, we are getting the different column matrices. We have to find the sum of the diagonal elements in the matrix A, M. Answer is C, it's 9. How do you get this one? You shall see this one. So first we are assuming the matrix M, different elements A, B, C, X, Y, Z element, this we are assuming. So substitute this one and first apply the first condition and get the values for multiply these two matrices and equate these two right side, you can get three values. B is equal to minus 1, C y is equal to 2, M is equal to 3. Similar for the other also, A minus B is equal to 1, and C is not there because it's 0 value. X minus y is equal to 1. Then substitute on the solve this one, you can get the answer. If A and B are square matrices order n cross n, A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B, then A is equal to B, AB is equal to BA, and the other two conditions are given. You have to write the correct answer. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, A is equal to I, B is equal to I, unit matrix. Correct answer is B, AB is equal to BA. Because A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square multiply A minus B into A plus B. A square plus AB minus BA and B square, and AB minus BA is equal to 0. Therefore, AB is equal to BA. Similarly, other condition, two matrices are given. B is the inverse of A. Then what's value for X is asked. Value for X is asked. So multiply these two matrices, first row and third column in the second matrix, and equate to the first row third element in the product matrix 0, and you can get the value of X as 5. And P and Q are 3 cross 3 matrices. P is not equal to B. P cube is equal to Q cube. P square Q is equal to Q square P. So the conditions. Then take the condition P cube is equal to Q cube and P square Q is equal to Q square P. Then subtract. Then take the common term P minus Q on both sides. Then P square plus Q square and P minus Q is equal to 0. P minus Q cannot be 0 because P is not equal to Q. This P square plus Q square is equal to 0. That's the correct answer, A. And next problem, A is equal to the given matrix, and also condition is given determinant of A square is equal to 25. So determinant of A means determinant of A whole square. Determinant of A whole square. That is the determinant of A. You can find the determinant of A. You know how to find the determinant of A and equate to the given answer 25, and then you can get the value for alpha. That is A is equal to 1 by 5 plus or minus 1 root. Take the square root. C is the answer. Thank you. We shall meet you in the next video class. Wish you all the best.